In front of me is VIVO V40 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and tapping on this icon of a color palette at the top of it. Now select any of those themes by clicking on the best one for you. When you're ready, manage keyboarders thanks to this switcher and tap on Apply at the bottom right corner. As you can see, after that, theme of my keyboard has changed. If you want to customize it though, go back to the same settings and this time use this plus icon under my themes. Now tap on a photo you wish to apply as your new keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move, and select Next. Adjust the brightness by swiping left or right. Hit Done. Manage keyboards and choose Apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!